Hey, Vsauce, Brian here.
Hi teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Just wanted to say thank you so much for all your hard work, for pulling through amidst this chaotic pandemic. With the very, very short time you had to prepare, you still managed to pull it off, all just for us.
Thank you for teaching us when school closed down for coronavirus. The teachers had one day to set up everything.
Thank you guys for working really hard.
You guys probably do so much more than students even know about, like behind the scenes, and I just wanted to say thank you for everything that you do for the students and the school, teaching us, talking to us, listening to us, and just being there for us.
Thank you so much for teaching us during the coronavirus and using online classes.
Thank you so much for working so hard to make online classes work.
Thank you for everything you've done for us till this day and even through this really sudden pandemic.
Thank you for teaching us, and especially through these hard times. I know that it is a lot of work, and in a lot of ways it's extra work, so I just wanted to thank all of the teachers for that.
Hello teachers, and just wanted to say thank you. During these times, you still taught us so well.
Thank you for teaching us and always working hard for us, especially for online classes.
Thank you for teaching and praying for us. I am very thankful to be your student and believe that it's God who placed us here.
Thank you for everything that you've done.
Thank you so much for teaching us, and until the coronavirus is over, I'll try my best and work hard.
To all of my teachers, I appreciate how you teach me and appreciate how you make me learn new things.
Thank you so much for just all your hard work. Even, when I have missing assignments or when I don't do my work that I should, sometimes you always help me to get back on track, and you just do so much for the students and for me, so thank you very much.
Thank you, GCFS teachers, for teaching us wonderful things and supporting us through hard times.
I really wanted to thank you for everything you've done, even virtually, and letting us be one step closer to God every second.
I especially want to give thanks to Ms. Martin, Mr. Mokai, Mrs. Kim, Mrs. John, Pastor Eno, Pastor Tim, and Ms. Phillipson for teaching me.
And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that you guys are absolutely amazing and that we really, really appreciate all the work you've done. So thank you, because without you guys, we won't be here, we won't be learning.
I'd like to thank all of you teachers for helping us with all these things, and I wish you a happy Teachers Day. Yes, a happy Teachers Day.
I hope you're doing well, and I will continue to pray for your strength.
And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
I just want to say I love you and everyone loves you.
I hope you all are staying safe, and I hope I get to see you face to face soon. Bye.
And I really hope to see everyone soon. So yes, thank you for everything. Bye.
I miss you. Bye.
I miss you, and bye.
Thank you for all your hard works, and stay healthy. See you at school one day. Happy Teachers Day.
Teacher, I'll sing this song for you to thank you for every smile. I know you had a lot to do. Well, I'm glad you're here for us. You took time to listen and to hear, to laugh and just be there. I heard the lesson loud and clear. I mattered to you, you cared. 'Cause when you reach out and you touch me with your heart, then you hold what I'm becoming in your hands. And though you're with me just a while today, you hold to my